Are your landing pages converting at 2 to 3%? Congratulations, but doesn't it feel like running late for a meeting and being stuck in traffic? After some conversion rate optimization, you're now converting at 5 to 6% on average? That's awesome. But doesn't it feel like you have now put gas in your car to avoid breaking down, but yet are still running late for your meeting? Hi everyone, I'm Gilles Argivier, and today I'm going to share with you my 12 tips to break the 10% conversion rate barrier using your landing pages. And you'll see, some of these tips are absolutely shocking. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification button to get notified on all my new posts. Tip number 1. Make sure your ad message matches the message in your landing page. This is to ensure your visitors do not bounce if they think they landed on the wrong page just because they couldn't see the exact same message than the one in the ad they clicked on. If you're running many ads with different headlines while using the Google Dynamic Search Ad feature, why not create multiple landing pages variant to match? It seems overwhelming, but no need to worry. There are some tools available you can use. For example, Unbounce offers such a feature where it automatically replaces text in your landing page to match the message in your ad, and this every single time. Tip number 2. Use clear, compelling copy. Your copy should be clear and straightforward, with strong headlines and unique selling proposition, fewer paragraphs, and more bulleted lists. A good recipe used by most talented copywriters is this. First, clearly state a problem in one short sentence. Second, agitate and provide a little more information about the problem, like how it can happen to someone or what consequences it can have. Third and final step, explain the solution your viewers will have access to when they click on the button or take action. Here's an example from Ramit Sethi. Problem, agitate, and solution. Tip number 3. Keep the action above the fold. Keep your headline, unique selling proposition, and most importantly, your call to action highly visible. And to achieve this, place all these elements above the fold where everything can be seen as soon as your visitors land on the page in a matter of seconds and without having to scroll further. Tip number 4. Use directional cues to direct the eye. It's unusual for a landing page to stop right at the fold. So to indicate to your reader there's more to read, add some visual clues like arrows, picture, or background effect. Place them right above it to guide their eye to the rest of the information you want to share. Second directional cue. Make your call to action stand out. It should look like a button with bold and striking copy using power words from the 2020 Rocket List, and of course contrasting colors. Tip number 5. Show your product or service in action. This helps your visitors imagine themselves as your customer. It's also an effective way to explain how it works or looks. You can use all kinds of visual content, graphs, images, step-by-steps, animations, demo videos, any visual to capture and keep their attention. And your hero image section on your landing page is a great place to do this. Tip number 6. Remove navigation and distraction. A great landing page focuses on a single conversion goal and should not have unnecessary links away from your landing page, site navigation, additional call to actions, or even links back to your home page. Here's a side-by-side comparison between a home page on the left and a landing page on the right. Can you see the difference? Tip number 7. Include authentic social proof. Testimonials are very valuable and they need to be humanized. Include personal details like portrait, full names, or titles, and even videos. All of that can definitely help achieve this. Tip number 8. Keep it fast. Follow the KISS principle and avoid weighing down your landing page with unnecessary elements that will slow it down. If you want to check your landing page speed for free and get more recommendations to improve your page speed, go to thinkwithgoogle.com. Google also gives you access to an impact simulator where it will show you how much more money you could have made if your page was faster. In most cases, the results are truly shocking. Tip number 9. Design for all devices. With most people using their cell phones, consider this. The small screen size restricts readability and interactivity, and load times are slower than desktop. To ensure better performance, use a mobile responsive landing page that adapts to any device. This will automatically adapt the layout based on the device. CTAs are made more visible, menus are presented differently, and images can be shrunk or removed entirely. Tip number 10. Test and update landing pages. This is where A/B testing your landing page comes into play. It allows you to test different variations of your landing page and split your traffic to see which one converts the best. There are many tools you can use for this, like VWO for example. For a complete list of tools available for this, go to my tools section on my website. Tip number 11. Consider using a template. This is definitely recommended if you want to take the guessing game out of the equation or don't know where to start. There are many sites offering these templates and they may save you a lot of time. Tip number 12. Make specific adjustments if your landing page is a lead generation page. First, use a multi-step form if you must collect multiple information to spread the field to complete over a couple of steps and not all on the first page. Always start with the easiest information on the first page and the more sensitive on the second one. Keep in mind also, the more information you request, the less people will complete your forms. Second, avoid manual entry. Make it easy on your visitor by avoiding manual entries and either provide scroll-down menu to choose options from whenever possible or self-populating forms. Third, include your privacy policy. Lead gen forms gather personal information which requires a little delicacy. Including a link to your privacy policy will reassure your visitors that their data is safe with you. Its inclusion is also mandated by a number of national and international laws like GDPR. Fourth, and final adjustment for a lead generation form, say thank you. After completing the form, take your visitor to a different page. There, you can say thank you, confirm that their information has been submitted, and also use the page to introduce them to additional opportunities. So that's it. If you need help with your digital marketing needs, check out my website, gilesargivier.com. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and tell other people about it. Thank you for watching.